oka tondu maitu uyu komete haha ni ahete uhoro kijito ha kijira mundu ucio muracera nake witagwo RUTO ti mundu mwega uyu maitu memenyerere muno yakarehe ndiru nyumba ino itu na ruriri maitu uyu komete ha kijuria mundu ucio muracera nake ri ithe tuwe wacinire ciana citu kura kiamba ithe tuwe wahurithirie ruriri rwitu mwaka wa 2007 na niki ureka na mundu ucio mwira ni twamuhire ni mundu mwega ni acenjirie reke tuthie nake tata ngijira oi mwana wako oi tiga imwira aca tata ndingitiga kijira tiga mwana witu twenjira mundu ucio we ni agakunyarira acoke anyarire ciana ciaku arikia anyarire ruriri uyu komete ha yeiguire ngimukararia tugikararania gikimwira riu ri ona ucio marugamite nake ri ona ki atakiri mwega kijira riu ri ici ni hitigiri imwe magego na ria ngindiri ona ne kavero tari magego tondu ndingiturenda muthenya ki iguturioka ho tiga guthire no ina magego ni gutunina riu nie ndiraimno kuona tata ni guconoka ngarigwo ngumwira atia tondu ni anjirite arandumanire ndokire kumuona muthenya wa muico ngikorwo ndwatwikana ngarigwo ngumwira atia tondu ni anjirite o uria tata anjirite anyaririte nie akanyarira ciana ciakwa riu ni ruriri aranyarira na tutire handu hega tuwe Ngai atuteithie tondu na tubangire maundu mega uguo nie ni mundira turagaria uku maguru kuma laiga twobiciri mutire mwanyona ni guconoka ngarigwo ngumwira ate tondu ni ndarehire mundu uriku ithira turaga kwa mucii ngamwita ngamwira ari mundu mwega ndenda mundekere nigetha nyanjie guthii uria ndathia maundu mwandekera irima riri turi ta ruriri ni wihia wakwa ni wihia wakwa ni wihia wakwa munene ma ni mukundekera nyumba itu tondu ndiathikiriirie maitu ha Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka tafadhali my brother utusaidie as a community we are in trouble and we are at crossroads. My mother here had warned me that William RUTO is an evil man, and if he is elected president, he'll persecute me, my children, and our community. It has come to pass. I'm not worried about myself because I'm the one who caused a mess. So me, I can be persecuted, my children can also be persecuted. But for my community, we need help. Watoto wetu wote wamefutwa kazi. KRA amefuta watu wetu. Polisi amefuta watu wetu. Kila pahali biashara zetu zimeharibika. Juzi ametuma watu Nairobi wamechoma biashara zetu. But our greatest concern where we need help is the decision that was made last Saturday in State House when the president summoned all the police commanders and ordered an onslaught and persecution of our community. And it has begun in earnest. Out of the more than 400 people who have been arrested, 92% are people from this region. On trumped up charges, no evidence, nothing. Just as my auntie here had told me that this community shall face persecution. we are shocked that ya kwamba huyu majority leader wetu, the MP for Kikuyu, working with William RUTO, have embarked on a scheme to have our young children taken to all manner of courts with all manner of charges. I was informed yesterday there is a girl called Wanjiko Thiga and Peter Kawanjiro. The MP for Kikuyu ordered the DCI to have the two arrested because they are from Kiambu and be charged with banning the locals in Kikuyu and storming police stations in Dagoretti. They were arrested with no evidence, nothing, no charge, nothing. And the police went to court to say that they be given 21 days to continue with investigations. Our lawyers here, led by Gachagua and others, and I want to thank our lawyers, put up a very strong case that they need the witnesses to be identified and the facts of the case to be put before the magistrate. And in the two cases, the magistrate ruled there is nothing, there is no reason for them to be held. Moja akaachiliwa on free board, mwingine kwa cash bail ya 200,000. Huyu MP wa Kikuyu akatafuta William RUTO na akamwambia hiyo watoto wasiwachiliwe, lazima wafungwe. So polisi wakasema the only way, because now the courts have released them, there is no other way. They should be rearrested and charged with offenses under the Terrorism Act. So inside a police station, elite officers from the anti-terrorism unit came in commando style with very serious weapons, firing in all directions, and rearrested the two young people, a young girl of 24, a young boy of, I think, 28. Since yesterday, they have been held incommunicado. And we have been told that they are being tortured and forced to give false testimony against leaders, so that also those leaders can be charged with the crimes under the Terrorism Act. So mimi nakuuliza wewe, leader of majority, how? You are one of us. How can you join William RUTO to persecute our children on trumped up charges on terrorism? How fluid is this government that ya kwamba imehangaishwa na watoto ya miaka 24? So we are saying, Senior Counsel Mother Karua and Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, we are requesting kama itawezekana hawa watoto wawili wakipelekwa kotini hiyo ya terrorism pale Kahawa on Monday, tafadhali mkuwe pale, kwa sababu nyinyi wakimuona pale itatusaidia. Itatusaidia. And I'm shocked we are back to the Moi era. Yeah? Even my auntie aliniambia, huyu mkichagua hii mtu tutarudi pale tulikuwa wakati ya Moi. Na huyu atakuwa mbaya zaidi kwa sababu ni kijana. So, the traitors of our community, nyinyi waheshimiwa, mumeungana na William RUTO kuhangaisha jamii, kuumiza watoto wetu. It's unfortunate. In the morning when I was coming, nimesimama hapo Karatina, mama moja ameniita. Mama mzee kama 70 years wa CWA. Akaniambia nimesikia William RUTO anajenga kanisa pale. Sasa kama anapenda kujenga kanisa sana, si ile kanisa ilichomwa pale Kiambaa pamoja na watoto wajenge hiyo kwanza kabla kujenga hii State House? William RUTO, we are asking you. We don't have a problem if you like building churches. But since 2007, Why don't you get a part of that 1.2 billion and go and rebuild the Kiambaa church that was touched with our children inside? And then kutoka hapo tuweze kuendelea. Ugwadwa itu dimwire. Mutikama ke gutire bulete kagara. Na mutikama ke. Ndaigua heshimiwa ha makiuga ati ndimateithie nginya ngavana. Ni gutire bono ngateithia ringi. Ndokire ha ngimwira muthure mwanake Mũjumbe. Nini ndamurire kati nie? And you know, I was a very fair person. I looked at Mathira the way it has been. Nikaona Konyo has never produced a member of parliament. Nilikuwa nimepewa pendekezo ya watu wawili, 2 MCAs. Huyu Karanja, the MCA for Ruguru, na huyu MCA alikuwa wa Konyo, the present member of parliament. So I made several considerations. One, nikasema, I think the people of Konyo, since independence, they have never produced a member of parliament. So let us be fair, tuwapatie nafasi kwa sababu Ruguru, Gachagua was there, my late brother, I was there, and Peter Weru Kenywa was there, watu watatu. So tukasema kupata wanne, let's be fair. And since I was sure I would be elected as deputy president, nikaona wacha Ruguru ikue pande hii, tupatiane Konyo. Na kuna MCAs walikuja wakaniambia you are making a mistake. Hapa Dagita huyu na huyu Kidaiti, they came and saw me. Makichoria we mundu wa Gachagua. Mwana kio niwe mwega. Imera ile katumuteithie no wasingo matha. Ni yurage kiaga. Nindire kunyireke. Niĩ ndikamwĩra mũthurĩre mũndũ, mũrore mũndũ na wagĩrĩire Mathira mũthure Mũjumbe. Niĩ ndirĩ hau, na arĩa makũrũgama wenda kura yakwa na ya nyina Gachagua na ihĩ ciakwa ũngore kũrĩa wa Mũnyoro, na ũke na ngiri ĩmwe rĩu 200 nĩtũraregire kuoya. Nĩguo hau nĩtwarĩkanĩra. Niĩ mahĩtia makwa nĩ maingĩ ta njohi ya mũtu. Kasongo ithito ndarehire. Mũjumbe nĩ warehire. Senator. Women rep. Ndekerai andũ aitũ. Ndekerai. Weka mahĩtia ti ũru. Ũru nĩ gwĩka atĩa? Niĩ kura itakerira. Itakerira. Nĩ ya MC wĩtagwo Karanja. Ĩyo na ndamwĩra mũikie rĩ, hau nĩ ndamũhĩtithirie. Karanja MCA, you have been a wonderful MCA for this area. I try to imagine what would have happened after the MP abandoned you and I was handed out of office. Who would have looked after these people? Taru kuma mwenye wana tata hurukire MCA atura huko ni horoma. MCA Karanja, my family remains deeply indebted to you. And the people of Ruguru, you have served us well. Please continue serving the people of this area the way you have done. Mutikamake. Na maundu ti moru. Kirima giki ni tucokaniririe ni kiega. Twina mwari wa maitu ho gwitwo Martha Wangari wa Karua. Na Justin Muturi. Riu ni arata tureka atia? Aria muraigua magitwo Makuso. Ni muiguite horo wa Makuso? Tucerie ka tutigacarie. Tumagare ka tutikaumagare. Turaire tugiuka turari kuria kwa Baruhia ni kwega. Turari kuria kwa Ikambara ni kwega. Turari kuria Mubathana ni kwega. Ndirari kuria Mathaini ni kwega. Maundu maitu ni mega. Horerai. Na mahoya manyu niguo. Ni muturaga maruini. Ni kwega ti kuru, muhorere na mutikagera wasiwasi. Maundu ni makwagira.